Hey, it's Diane from Teach Pre-K. I'm just going to show you what we are doing this week. It's a super busy week. We've got parent-teacher conferences 2 days, so I won't have pre-K that day, but I'll have my morning 3-year-old class. I've been sick for about 10 days, and I've missed a lot of school, so I came here this morning. It is now this afternoon, and I set everything up, and I'm going to just show you what we're doing Monday, Tuesday, and the rest of the week. Okay, I changed my door to hearts. This week we have a Valentine sensory bin with these cute little heart measuring cups for scoops, gems, sparkling pom-poms, pink rice. This is one of my mini centers that I've talked about when I talked about a day in the life of the preschool kids. This is a mini center. The kids will come in. The Play-Doh won't be in the jars. We'll have the Play-Doh and balls out on their trays. And I went a little crazy. I wanted to use Valentine colors for the trays because I want it to be super Valentine-y this week. So I used just the red, pink, and purple. I have my center out. This is where we're gonna put our Play-Doh and Play-Doh toys. But I have my center out and ready for Monday. So I cut all these hearts. I've got this great heart punch from Fiskars. And I'll leave a link to it on Amazon in my description. But you guys, I went through like 6 layers of paper and punched these out at a time. It is amazing and it's so great. But our letter of the week is going to be V. So the kids will be making these cute little letter V's. They'll be forming the letter V's with hearts. And those will then go on our bulletin board and take place of our cute Sneezy the Snowman thing. So that is ready to go. So when I walk in on Monday, my centers are set. My mini centers are set. Here's my little name strips for the kids to put in. That mini center is going to be these gears. This one's going to be some colored blocks, fairies, and butterflies. I only have 2 teacher-led center, 2 little small groups. We're going to be working on our fine motor skills with cutting practice. So I've got my scissors out and I've got all these great little heart templates. These will be folded in half, and I actually have a video tutorial that will be posted tomorrow showing how I do these. This is my long heart. I do landscape and I do a little fatter heart, but I didn't have that template here to make copies. So I'll make copies at home and bring them to school for Monday. But we're just going to be working on cutting out hearts, and then I let the kids pick places to put the hearts around the room, and we tape them or staple them up and decorate our room for Valentine's Day. But this is an all-time favorite activity. They love the fact that you can just cut half a heart out in a piece of folded paper and get a whole heart. They love it. I set this up today. This is my Valentine treat and gift shop. So I've got my little open sign, my store sign. Over the years, I've collected some Valentine stuff. Here's some little towels, a little mailbox. I've got a cute little heart-shaped teapot and tea set. These little heart candy boxes are hot glued shut. I've got this cute little felt envelope, some fake flowers. Got little heart bowl, heart basket, some candy molds and cupcake little silicone things that just add that red, a little heart. Hot pad, our play cookies, cute tea set. It's not pink or red, but it's purple. That's close enough. This cute little heart placemat. And then all these dramatic play props and printable items. See these cute little balloons? I love those. Are in my TPT store. I'll leave a link for that as well. Oh, and I'm going to go over here. I've got my Valentine posters up. Block center, we're just gonna do jungle animals and Legos. Here are my pocket chart vocabulary strips. Forgot to bring my Valentine books, but I'll switch out some of those fairy tale books for Valentine books. Little magnet board with some people on it. Stuff like that. So that is that. Now I'm going to show you what I'm doing the rest of the week. Okay, the rest of the week, I put everything in these little bins with the day of the week on them. I'm getting a whole new system because I have so much stuff that I've created and I don't have space for it in my storage room. So I'm going to be using this. Gosh, my hand keeps getting in the way. Sorry guys, not going to edit that out. Don't have time. So I'm going to show you how I put everything in those bins. I have a shelf system. I put them on shelves in the back room, and this saved me. I was out for a week, but I already had my things set up in my bins. So my aide and my subs knew just what to do and where everything was. It is a time saver for you and a time saver for if anything ever comes up and you can't make it to work. So hold on, I'll show you those. Okay, so I have the bins all laid out. I took the paint out of my Tuesday bin just for easier access. So they're all labeled for the day of the week. And I've already shown you Monday centers. So my Monday bin actually already has next week's centers in it. Okay, so on Tuesday, we're gonna do this little heart puzzle. One side of the heart has an uppercase letter. The other side has a lowercase letter. I just did these all by hand years ago, laminated them, cut them out. I have since made a better set, but you know what? I like this one, so I'm gonna keep using it. Another thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make squishy paint hearts, and I've got the paint in these squeeze bottles, purple, red, pink, and white, and we squirt them on these white hearts that I've cut out and put plastic wrap over them. The kids manipulate the paint and then they pull the plastic wrap off, and it's beautiful. And we put those out on our bulletin board out in the hall. So I will be changing 2 bulletin boards this week as well. It'll be great because I can do that during my breaks, during conferences. At Circle Time, besides the books that I read in our regular Circle Time routine, on Tuesdays, I go through our Letter of the Week picture cards. So this has like letter formation, we practice skywriting, and then it has pictures of things that start with the letter V, like a vacuum. But I won't show them the picture, and I'll say, this is something that you run on your carpet, and it makes a loud noise, and it sucks everything up. And then they guess what it is. Okay, so I am on Tuesday. So Tuesday for Circle Time, just like I had those cards, I'm going to do my letter V sound tub pretty much the same way, just a little guessing game. Everything in here starts with the letter V sound, so it's a good little phonemic awareness exercise for Circle Time. We are going to make coffee filter hearts, and I have already cut my coffee filters into heart shapes. And I've got the 3 colors of liquid watercolor I'm going to use. We'll use our pipettes or droppers, and the kids just make these really fun hearts. Our other center that we're going to do is this count and clip center. You can see there are 5 balloons on this picture, so they would use clothespins and clip on the number 5. Okay, so here is my Thursday bin. And on Thursday, we are going to make these little little Valentine banners. I did Margot's name. Margot is my daughter's French bulldog that I love more than anything. I have a picture of her in the classroom, and I talk about her all the time. The kids love her. So I've got my yarn for that, and I've got my 3 colors of paper hearts in a bag. They're all in separate bags in that big bag ready to go. Then these little heart boxes, I can't even remember where I got these, but what I do with these is I get Valentine erasers or Valentine gems or any little Valentine manipulatives I can find, and I put them in these little boxes. I shake them, and I'm like, how many do you think are in here? And they all make a guess in my small group. We open it up, then we count them together. I never expect them to actually guess the right number. It's all just a big counting game. So that'll be super fun to play with them. Friday, I do not have my 3-year-olds. I only have my 4-year-olds in the morning, and we always do journals. So I have my journal page for Valentine's Day, because Valentine's Day will be the following Tuesday, and it'll be too late to do journals then. So it's I love. And they can draw a picture of their family. They could draw a picture of a truck or their dog, their cat, butterflies, rainbows, whatever they love. So that will then go in their journal with their name and the date. And then I have an activity, the Monday activity with the little cutout hearts that I showed you that I had ready. I'll always have extra hearts, so we make these little heart families. And this is just an example that I made, but the kids, oh my gosh, they are hilarious. I love them so much. any wonky kids art is just the best thing ever. It just brings joy to my heart. But that's what they'll do on Friday. Okay, so that is basically how I get ready for the week. What I'm doing this week for Valentine's Day. I also have parent-teacher conferences coming up, so I've got a lot to do. Was gone for a week and a half, and I don't know how I'm going to do this, but this just goes to kind of show you that you can have everything ready. So when you walk in the door on Monday, it's stress-free. You know you're ready to go. And I was sick, so I came in today, and I've been here hours and hours, but I usually just start doing this during the week. So as soon as Monday from one week is over, I've got my Monday activities for the next week in the bin. Same with Tuesday and on through the week. I start gathering up all the materials I need for dramatic play, my sensory bin, my block center, and I have a great big tub in the back that I kind of start putting all those little props and toys and stuff in, so that Thursday night, since I don't work on Fridays, Thursday night I have everything in the bin, everything ready to go. I switch everything out in the room that I can. I still have kids coming in on Friday, so my aides are teaching that day, but I have it all ready for them so they can set it up like that. And it makes everything easy on them, everything easy on me, and it just makes for just an easier week. So with a little time and prep on the front end, you can take back your weekends and all your free time. No prob. Okay, so I thought I would show you my shelf system. So here's Monday. I already have my stuff for Monday. We'll be making Valentine bags because the next day's our Valentine party. We'll be doing a count and graph with candy hearts, and I made a little list while I was here. I need more candy hearts, so I know when I go to the grocery store tomorrow, I'm gonna get more candy hearts. And here's my Tuesday I showed you, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and this one that says next week is kind of where I start putting the stuff I know I'm gonna use the following week. And that way, as I empty the bins above, I take things from here and just put them in here. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helps. Okay, I'm here in my crazy messy back room, and I just thought it was rude of me to sign off with just shelves. So thanks so much for watching, and I think it's in my lesson planning made easy video. I think I have this little system in there. I will put this on the end screen. I'll find out which video it is and put it on the end screen. And I'm really sorry about my hand being in the way all the time. But thanks so much, you guys, for watching. Leave any comments below, and I'll leave those links for you too.